Hey, good morning. Today is May 2nd. Woke up at around 8:30. Heading to Tamil soon. I'm gonna go to that organic smoothie bowl place. Has super good food, like very good. Recommend definitely. Uh, One thing I noticed here, like you get dry eyes and dry nose, so keep that in mind if you're coming here to Nepal, Kathmandu. Probably the air is drier than India. Like some parts, it is also like the altitude is 1,400 meters, so it could be that also. Yeah, so I have zero plans, just to have breakfast today, and then we will just see. I feel like I saw like the basic places in Kathmandu. Maybe just scratch the surface, but 3 nights is probably enough to like see basic. So keep tuned. I'll show you something. I hope so. The place is completely full usually when I arrive, like 12, but now it's earlier, so it's kind of empty. So it's called organic. Kind of funny, but the food, like I said, it's very nice. They do a great job. Have juices, smoothies, shots, brunch. Yeah, it's like more a brunch place, but they work till 7. Salads, stuff, tea, coffee. Very nice. Yeah, it looks kind of nice. Strawberries, like apples. They have like 6 or 7 varieties. So I was asking around a bit for trekking, like Everest Base Camp, Annapurna Base Camp. So you can get also insurance for 300. It covers the helicopter in any case you get like super sick. If you don't have insurance, the helicopter is around $2,000, from 1,600 to 2,000.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. I'm pretty much like out of ideas what to do. There is some kind of cool stupa, like 20 minutes from here. Maybe I'll go check it out. But it looks like the longer the day goes, the more like the trekking. It's more, interesting. At the famous Buddha Stupa. These are the prices. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk around, maybe decide to go or not to go. So you can basically see the stupa from the other side. Like, I don't see the point of paying.
Bỏ túi ra Hà ơi. Bỏ túi ra.
It's kind of cool, like the eyes and stuff. There's a ton of pigeons here. You can like feed them. Kind of Hey, so I'm sitting at home, like downstairs. There's a kitchen. So this is beef noodles. Like cow is sacred, but the male, the bull, they can eat it. They don't eat cow, but they do eat bull. So that's like I think natural, like wheat uh, and egg noodles. So yeah. Just want to show you, and that cost only like 70. That's half an euro. Yeah, it's not bad. Hey, got my Airbnb confirmed for Pokhara, so I'm leaving on Sunday. It's gonna be May 5th. Also need to extend my insurance. I said today you can get insurance here for like if you're gonna go high altitudes for health and for the chopper. Yeah, it's 300. I don't know. I need to look into it. Does my insurance cover it? Because it's like only $70-$80. Yes, 70 euro. Yeah. So I'm ending the day. It's 10:30. I'm heading to shower. Have 2 free days, so I won't be doing too much probably. Just plan the stuff out, like plan my ticket out of Nepal. So you really need to plan ahead because I looked at the tickets. Yeah, they're quite expensive if you like do zero planning, like 5 days in advance, still expensive. So probably gonna still stick with the bus to Burjin, then to Raxal, India's border, and probably Kolkata. Patna is on the way, so maybe stop in Patna because it's a very long drive from Raxal to Kolkata, and also I'll probably just need to go to other cities. There's not gonna be a direct bus from Raxal. So yeah, end of May 2nd. See you tomorrow.